What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. This is my June 2021 Gramma on a Box. The first project this month is Emoji Pops, and then they have emoji and minion cookies. And then I pulled this out to show it to you because at the time I was filming before this happened, but that doesn't matter anymore. So we're going to move on. This just explains what's in the box, a little note from Grandma Terry. And then they're having a theme contest for their September box. So what they want us to do is think of a theme for September. They want us to draw at least 3 cookie ideas, and then they want to include your name, age, and then you can email it to them or post it on social media. So I'm going to have the kids do that, and we're going to open this up here, and here's the box. Woo! So we got some marshmallows, and then we have some little chocolate sprinkle thingamabobbers. Then we have some like candy decorations, and then this is the melting chocolate for this month, and that's an eraser. I was like, okay. And then there's the cookies. So they're minions and stuffs, emojis. So they're just circles and like ovals. And then we have the icing, which is blue, yellow, and white. Here's the oval cookies. And there's the other oval cookies. And then we have the sprinkles for the cookies. And then these are the little, pops for the cake pop or the marshmallow pops. So we're going to go ahead and start with the marshmallow pops. So we have the little pop sticks. Then we have the chocolate sprinkles, the candy decorations, some melting chocolate, if I can get a hold of it, some melting chocolate, and then the marshmallows. So let's get started. Okay, guys, one of the kids is holding the melting chocolate here, so we're just going to take it and put it in a microwave-safe bowl, and we're going to heat it up for 30 seconds. Then this is what it looks like after we heated it up, and for me, that's a little too thick to be dipping marshmallows in, and honestly, I wish I could have used a smaller bowl, but I'm going to just add a little bit of olive oil to this just to thin it out enough to have so that we have enough chocolate for the kids. So boom, I probably put a little too much in there. Just mix it up really, really good, and everything will be good to go. I do this when I make my cake pops, and it works wonderfully. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is dip your lollipop sticks into the chocolate, and then you're going to press them into the marshmallows. I didn't get great footage of this, but you want to dip a good amount of the chocolate onto the lollipop stick. The kids kind of didn't put enough, but it's okay. We figured it out later. It's totally fine. You're going to want to let that dry, and then you're going to go ahead and just roll your marshmallows in that chocolate. So after you've rolled them in the chocolate, you're going to go ahead and dip them into the chocolate sprinkles to have some hair on there, and then you're going to just decorate them however it is you want to decorate them. Levi took a little while getting his completely covered. I told him it didn't have to be perfect as long as it was, somewhat covered. We could totally work with that. So then he dipped it into the chocolate sprinkles, and then he's going to go ahead and decide on some candy decorations. So he has these little glasses he's going to put on there. And then I think he uses the little bow tie. Super cute, right, guys? You want to make sure you do all this while the chocolate is still wet so that it hardens onto the chocolate and everything stays put when you go to eat them. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the cookies. So we have some icing here. We got Levi helping us out, showing us what we got. And then, of course, we have the cookies. He's just showing you the round ones right now. Whoopsie, he dropped them. And then, of course, we have the sprinkle decorations. So these are all the supplies we need to decorate our cookies. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys here some of the kids decorating the cookies. I was so super excited that my son wanted to participate this time, but it was a little bit chaotic and crazy because I was trying to help him and film all the other kids. But Levi accidentally put his sprinkles on first, and I told him it was totally fine. You can just work around that. Just go ahead and add your icing and then add some more sprinkles. Here's, I think this is Ezzy. I'm not really sure, but it's one of the girls because I don't have their faces in these shots. So I really can't tell who's who right now. But, they're just having fun, guys, doing whatever. Here's my son. He was having a little bit of trouble, so Mom tried to step in and help him and show him how it works. He's so cute. I just love that he helped out with this. This was so much fun. So I just went ahead and thought, all right, I'll just go ahead and put the icing on his for him. And then I handed him the sprinkles. Guys, don't hand a 3-year-old a pack of sprinkles. You're going to see what happened in a second. I don't know what I was thinking. So here he goes. Boom! All of the sprinkles on one cookie. I'm just saying. What was I thinking? And he's not 3 anymore, he's 4. So just don't give a 4-year-old all the sprinkles. Now he's trying to spread them out onto the other cookie like I showed him. But guys, it was so much fun. I could care less. I told him there's plenty of sprinkles for all the other kids. Not a big deal. So I'm just moving on to try to help him, show him how to do the icing. So I squeezed it and just kind of guided his hand through. He just couldn't get the squeezing part for the icing bag, but he did so good. I was just so glad he was helping out, and he wanted to put some blue on there too. So we added some blue, and now he's going to try to put some more of his little sprinkles on there, and his cookies will be good to go. It was so much fun, guys. I was so excited he wanted to help out this time. It was so much fun. So I think these are Levi's cookies. I'm not really sure, guys. It's just all over the place. I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy watching the kids make these cookies, and then I'll pop in to do a final reveal of the cookies. Okay, guys, we're rounded towards the end of the kids working on these cookies. We had so much fun again. I do believe I'm going to go ahead and keep this subscription because it is so much fun doing this with the kids. And now that my son's participating, it's that much more fun. But here at the end, the kids wanted to talk about the cookies they decorated, so I'm going to let them talk about their cookies. Okay, this is Levi. He's going to tell us about his cookies. Go ahead, Levi.
Okay, so this is the first cookie I made. I call this the extra normal million that's not evil.
Okay, what about your next cookie?
My second cookie is the Minion Warrior.
The Minion Warrior.
Yeah.
And what about the other one?
This one was supposed to be a skeleton, but I failed on it.
No, you didn't fail. It just looks a little different.
Yeah.
Awesome. So those are Levi's cookies. We'll talk about the other ones in a second. Here's Gabby. She's going to tell us about her cookies.
Okay, so this is a girl cookie named Valentina. And this is a boy cookie that is a minion, and it is a construction worker. And his name is Billy.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a computer worker who does work online. His name is Tilly.
All right.
Timmy.
Great job. One more to talk about their cookies. Okay, this is Ezzy, and she's going to tell us about her cookies. Go ahead, Ez.
So first I'm going to talk about the unicorn. So this is a unicorn. It's supposed to be. But there's a little more icing left. So I just used it on the unicorn. It doesn't have much icing on it though. And then this is supposed to be a tree and the moon is behind it. And this is like half of the sun in the way. Behind the moon. This is supposed to be a girl with ears.
And that's it?
And she's supposed to have eyes, but the eyes are being covered, and she's supposed to have a mouth. It was supposed to be yellow, but then I put all the yellow on it.
Yeah.
So,
L.
and then she has white hair, but I've never seen anybody with white hair. I just like put white hair on it. Done.
All right, thanks, Ezzy. Okay, here's Noah. Tell us about your cookies, Noah.
Make a cookies.
You made the cookies. What did you put on the cookies?
Wow. Listen.
Is it sprinkles?
Make a sprinkle.
Sprinkles and some icing.
I see.
You did a great job.
With the cookies.
They're cookies. Okay, did you decorate the cookies? Yes? You did a great job, honey. Great job with your cookies. Okay, that's Noah's cookies. And here's our final cookies. Guys, this was so much fun. Well, and treats. So I'm going to zoom in here. There's some of Noah's cookies and Levi's. And there's the unicorn one of the girls tried to make. Guys, I know these cookies don't look great, but they taste delicious. And this is so much fun to do with the kids. It really is. We had a blast. And believe it or not, these marshmallow pop treats actually tasted really good. I'm not a marshmallow person, but I ate 2 of them. Just saying. Guys, this was my June 2021 Gramma in a Box. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in my next one.